Hello, engineers. So let's try to solve this sample problem. So yung problem natin is solve for the following system of equation using the Gauss-Seidel method. So yung equation natin are 12x1 plus 7x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 2. Yung second equation natin is x sub 1 plus 5x2 plus x sub 3 is equal to negative 5. Yung third equation natin is 2x1 plus 7x2 minus 11x3 is equal to 6. So calculate the value of x1, x2, and x3 up to 3 iterations. Then use x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 3, and x3 is equal to 5 as your initial guess. So first, let's solve this problem using our Caltech solution. So before we proceed with our Caltech solution, kailangan muna nating i-transform tong ating tatlong equation. Equation number 1 natin is 12x1 plus 7x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 2. So gagawin natin dito is ita-transform natin ito to which yung matitira na lang sa left side is yung x sub 1. So therefore, we will have x sub 1 is equal to 2 minus 7x2 minus 3x3 all over 12. So para ma-express natin to sa ating calculator, so ang gagawin natin, yung x1 papalitan natin ng x, yung x2 papalitan natin ng y, tsaka yung x3 papalitan natin ng m. So therefore, we will have x is equal to 2 minus 7y minus 3m all over 12. Second equation natin is x sub 1 plus 5x2 plus x3 is equal to negative 5. So yung ititira na lang natin sa left side is yung x2. So we will have x2 is equal to negative 5 minus x1 minus x3 all over 5. So para ma-express natin sa ating calculator, so x2 is y, which is equal to negative 5 minus x1 is x minus x3, which is m. So we will have negative 5 minus x minus m is equal to 5. Third equation natin, 2x1 plus 7x2 minus 11x3 is equal to 6. So we will have x3 is equal to 6 minus 2x1 minus 7x2 all over negative 11. So para ma-express natin sa ating calculator, so we will have m is equal to 6 minus 2x1, which is x, minus 7x2, which is y, all over negative 11. So therefore, yung equation natin is m is equal to 6 minus 2x minus 7y all over negative 11. So using these three equation, we will arrive to what we call Caltech equation. So itong Caltech equation na to, ito yung equation na ilalagay natin sa ating calculator. So yung Caltech equation natin is x is equal to 2 minus 7y minus 3m all over 12. Then colon y is equal to negative 5 minus x minus m all over 5 colon m is equal to 6 minus 2x minus 7y all over negative 11 colon x is equal to x colon y is equal to y colon m is equal to n. So in your calculator, enter mode 1. So sa calculator natin, enter mode and then 1. After that, input natin tong ating Caltech equation. So ito yung magiging display niya. So input natin, x is equal to 2 minus 7y minus 3m all over 12. Colon y is equal to negative 5 minus x minus m all over 5. Colon m is equal to 6 minus 2x minus 7y all over negative 11. And then colon, x is equal to x, colon, y is equal to y, colon, m is equal to m. So that's it. So after that, enter natin yung ating calc. So enter calc. So magtatanong ng value ng y. So ilalagay natin is yung value ng x sub 2, which is equal to 3. So lagay natin, initial guess natin na x sub 2 is equal to 3. Equal. Then magtatanong ng value ng y. So yung ilalagay natin is yung initial guess ng x sub 3 na 5. Equal. So we will have, so i-table natin. So yung first column is ito yung ating iteration. Yung second column natin is yung ating x or x sub 1. Yung third column natin is yung ating y or x sub 2. Tsaka yung third column natin is yung ating m or x sub 3. So we will proceed with iteration number 1. So ano yung result natin kanina? So yung result natin is negative 2.8333. Okay? Tabulate natin to. Equal natin. Makukuha natin yung value ng y. That is negative 1.4333. Next, equal pa rin natin. Makukuha natin yung value ng m, which is negative 1.9727. So proceed tayo sa iteration number 2. So ang gagawin natin dito, equal lang natin lahat up hanggang maka-arrive tayo dito sa x. So yung bagong value ng x natin is 1.49595. So tabulate natin. Equal. May makukuha tayong bagong value ng y. That is negative 0.9046. Equal natin. May makukuha tayong bagong value ng m. That is negative 0.8491. So proceed tayo sa third iteration. So sabi sa problem up to 3 iteration lang tayo. So therefore, itong row na to, ito yung magiging final row natin or final iteration natin. So same process, equal lang natin lahat up to maka-arrive tayo sa x, which is yung result niya is 0.90666 or that is 0.9067. Equal natin ulit. Yung bagong value ng y is negative 1.0115. Negative 1.0115. Then equal natin ulit. Yung bagong value ng bagong value ng m is negative 1.0243. Since up to 3 iteration lang tayo, so therefore ito yung magiging final answer natin. So for x sub 1, that is equal to 0.9067. For x sub 2, that is negative 1.0115. And for x sub 3 is negative 1.0243. So in order to summarize our result, so yung result ng first iteration natin, ito siya. Result ng second iteration natin is ito yung result ng ating second iteration. And yung result ng ating third iteration is ito siya. So, x sub 1 is equal to 0.9067. X sub 2 natin is negative 1.0115. And x sub 3 is equal to negative 1.0243. So therefore, this is these are our final answers. So I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na to and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.